Alright, today I'm going to show you how to wash a blanket inside of a Bosch washing machine, okay? This right here is a Bosch washing machine. This is my blanket. This happens to be a 300 series Bosch washing machine, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Now, this is a blanket, and when you're using a blanket, typically you may use more than one pod because the blanket's a lot. Alright, so it's a lot of fabric. So what I'm going to do is, I have these pods. Now most people would think that you add the pods to this right here. No, that is not the case. You do not add pods to this right here at all, okay? Because doing so will clog this in here. This is for laundry detergent, okay? One is for the pre-wash. This one right here is for fabric softener. And this one right here is for the main wash. And if you have powder in here, you'll go ahead and pull this down for powder. So the powder doesn't go in here. It has a chance to dissolve. If it's liquid, no, if it's, excuse me, if it's liquid, you have that down. If it's powder, you have it up and you put it in there. Voila woo. All right, you put it in there. But I have pods, and you don't put pods in there. You put them directly in the machine, which I did. And then go ahead and take the blanket, place it in the machine, okay, and then I'm going to close this. And now once you close this, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and to get the setting. Some people put cotton normal. I'm going to use heavy duty, okay, and then heavy duty, I like to do extra rinse 1 time, extra rinse 2 times, pre-wash if you want to, spin speed, I keep it at high, finish in 3, maybe 4 hours. Temperature, some people keep it warm, but I'm gonna keep it hot, extra hot, and then start. And then that is how you wash the blanket inside of a Bosch washing machine, a Bosch 300 washing machine, 300 series washing machine. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.